All right, everyone, here we are with Wkhs, Workhorse Group Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and feedback. I really appreciate it, and it means a lot. I hope I continue to give you guys helpful and informative information and nothing less. Let's jump into this chart. So, very broad stretch here, as I stated yesterday, between the resistance and the support, because the support was the last lowest point before this run, and once this run happened, it ended the day at its highest point. Here it is, leveled off, broke the resistance at one point, hitting 20.99, and quickly got rejected from there, and slightly closed off right above the 50-day moving average. Very interesting day for this one. Let's move the support levels to its new locations, and let's move the resistance to its new location. So we have a lot of a more narrow stretch here, and we want to really zoom in and pay close attention to what is important for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see. All right, and actually let's move this to its location here. Here we are. All right, perfect. So this closed out at 18.99, right? This had a leveling off, hit the high of 20.99, and from that point forward, it started to drop significantly and leveled off slightly above the 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average is 1877. All right, 1877 needs to be maintained below the closing price. Let me land right on it. Thank you. Excuse me for that. But 1877, as long as it stays below the closing price, which is slightly below it after closing at 1886, the stock will maintain in bullish territory. But if it crosses it, it'll be in bearish territory. So 1877 is significant to know in what side of the chart we're going to be in. Since this is such a close one, we're going to have to see the tug of war. And if this gets crossed, it could be on its way down to support. And if this support gets broken through, not only did the bears get this back into bearish territory and broke through the 50-day moving average, but it brought it down to newer lows, gaining leverage. By breaking through 1801, this could be on its way down to newer lows, and I can't emphasize that enough. It broke through the 50-day moving average, broke through the support, and this will break through lower support levels, back to yesterday's support level of around 1754. So if 1801 gets broken through, the next support that's very important to pay close attention to is 1754. But before that, 1801 has to get broken through, and you're going to want to really pay attention. I can't emphasize this enough. How quickly is it moving down? And also, were the bulls able to recover from there? And are they allowing this stock to recover by loading up in shares and bringing this one back up? Now, on the other spectrum of things, for this to actually continue with this momentum that is slightly received after hitting the low of 1781 and the second low, which is the support of 1801, the bulls are going to want to break through 1917. They gain this momentum, they're going to have to keep it, and that's going to allow them to get further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. They need to break through 1917, turn it into a support, and they can start to work their way up to newer highs and break through newer resistance levels. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Hope it means you well. If you guys feel inclined or encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. You guys can turn on all notifications so you guys can be up to date on every chart analysis. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys once again for watching, and let's make some money.